Alright, it's time to see if I can get a usable video of these. This is Coca Cola at Disney Springs. I know it's going to be a minute, so I'm just going to pause till it gets going. Alright, we got an elevator. These used to be ThyssenKrupps, and I actually filmed them when they were ThyssenKrupp, but the ThyssenKrupps ended up getting replaced by Otis. Gotcha.
Hurry, get a coaster. Come on, Ben.
Here's two.
Is the last? Let's go there.
Is it going up? This is 45 pounds. Good.
No, it's in my thing. I just started because I had the dog sports.
Alright, well, this is helping out with our next cab. Oh, sweet. I got this thing of myself going down. Alright, perfect. Everyone else was getting in the other car. We're probably going to stop on two, though. This is 4,500 pounds. Nope, we made it all the way down. Sweet. And that will be it. Thank you for watching.